Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand, styling the bakery displays. As you can see, we're having the two different parts of the units, top layers and the bottom layers. They have a curved glass on top and the open set on the bottom. So as you can see, we have a big space at the bottoms. The shelvings right here, they all stainless steels. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length, they are about like 63 inches in the length. And the unit's about like 59 inches tall. And the front to the behind is about like 33 inches deep. And let's take the display size. For the bottom shelvings, they are about like 23 inches, 23.5 inches deep, and 60.5 inches in the length. And they are about like 14 inches tall. As you can see, the units, we do having LED lights right here at the first layers. And if you keep looking down the units, you will see we're having a small display right here. These are controllers with the power buttons and the light switchers. And you see the front, you can see the evaporator at the front too. And let's take a look at the back side and the dimension for the top. This is the back side of the units. If you're looking right here, we see the stickers and sanitation, EPL sanitation right here, and diagrams right here. And they have sliding doors. And you see also the stainless steel shelvings. The top layers is about like 11.5 inches deep. And the bottom, they are about like 13 inches deep. And the length, they are about like 60.5 inches deep, wide. And if you're looking down the bottom, we're having the covers right here. They come in with the 110 power connections, US standard, and the compressors at the bottom right here. The units come with the two compressors. That's all information about the units. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.